Hey y'all, welcome to Faith with Annie. I am going to do a prayer journal entry on love. All right y'all, so getting started, I have my prayer journal. This is my favorite one still. And I have some washi tape. This one came with a pack I ordered from Amazon. And this I picked up at the Dollar Tree. A few pens and some Sharpies. Transparent sticky note pad. Glue, scissors, and all of this. Stickers from the Dollar Tree. And some scraps of paper that come in those little scrap paper packs from the Dollar Tree. So this is what I'm going to use to do this prayer journal entry. I have an idea in my head of how I want it to look. Went ahead and prepared for that. And when I was thinking of doing a prayer journal entry about love, I realized I had a sticker with a verse that I'm going to use. This is 1 John 4:19. We love because he first loved us. Now, usually I'll write the scripture out, but since I have this sticker, I'm going to use this sticker. How exactly I want to do that, I don't know if I want it on the white or if I want it on here. Let's just see how it goes. I know I want to use this big sticker here, along with some other scraps. So maybe I'll dedicate one whole side to a little bit of art and then words on the next. Not sure how I want to do this.
I went with kind of a messy, layered look. I tore the red sheet so that it would have jagged edges, and I laid it on where the page folds. I thought it gave it an interesting look. I went a little sticker crazy. As always, stickers just make me happy, y'all. Now it's time for the important part, the part that you focus on prayer. Artwork is fun. It's fun to create things, but remember to stay focused on prayer. That is the whole point of a prayer journal. After I got done with the prayer, I wanted to add a little something to this side of the page. So I just drew a simple heart, wrote a few words, and placed a transparent sticky note on top of this, and then put a sticker on top of that. So it's a layered look. Here is the finished product, and just remember to have fun with it. Don't pressure yourself on anything. The main focus is the prayer.
Thank you guys so much for doing this prayer journal entry with me. If you have any questions, please put them down below. I will answer to the best of my ability. Or if you just want to chat, that would be great too. I really love talking to all of y'all. It brightens my day, and I love sharing faith stories with y'all and just trading information back and forth about how you do things and how I do things. And if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so that we can help each other grow in our faith and our walk with God. Bye, y'all.